I got me this combiner box. I wanted to add several DC connections, solar connections and other DC connections. But it's only accepting one of them. Try different combination, no problem. Contacted the company and they sent me a brand new one. So I'm trying to understand. So I made a really effort to make a setup here. DC power supply, DC power supply, like 2 solar panels, and connected it to this. Sorry about the special arrangements with wires, it's only temporary to test. And the Victron has this nice application, so we can see if we get some power here. We got 8 watts, and that seems to be correct. 0.18 times 23, 0.22 times. Should be something about 8 watts. But here is the problem and what I don't understand. I have of course also measured the power. I can measure here, connected on the 4th or 3rd one, before the diode. 23, left one, and the right one 23. So we'll try to make them act like 2 solar panels and put a negative here. It's working fine. I can measure from here, I can measure from here. Same result, of course, because it's adding up. So let's say I want to increase the power, or perhaps I just get more sun at the solar panels. Let's say this one, we put it to the maximum, and we can do this live since I made this setup. Full here, full here. So this is now 29, still 8 watts. So let's add more power here. Full power, 8 watts. I can't understand. But what I can see is that this one now went down to 0. Perhaps because this one is higher. So let's turn it off. Look at what happens. Turning it off. Still 8 watts. Turning this lower. And of course we go down. So something is very strange. I just don't understand. What's the issue? Battery full, perhaps? But it still should measure the power, I think. Let's turn it all off. 0. Let's turn it on. This is now on full power. Blue light. $13 watts. 12. And that seems about correct. 0.24, 30.9 watts. Let's turn this off. 0. Let's turn this one on. Full power. Notice that we got the amps now. 12 watts. So what I can't figure out is what's combining. Now both are on and we are still on 18 watts. 12 now. I can't understand, but I can see that this one is turning to 0 when I'm turning this one on. So perhaps if I turn it off, yes, this one goes up. 12 watts. Turning it on again. This one goes to 0. 12 watts. So What is combining in a combiner?